Hi guys, my name is Swaraj Prasad and I am going to tell you a very interesting, the most wonderful and the most useful topic that will change your life. My topic is how to get rid of excess thoughts and do any work without much thinking. It seems like it is an impossible task, but it can be done easily. Oh, thoughts and thoughts and thoughts. Oh my god, so many thoughts. I am unable to study it. This is the most common problem of all the persons. Just I am reading and thoughts are coming and coming and coming. So I do have the solution, but you have to make me promise that in next few minutes you will listen carefully and follow it. First, we do have conscious and unconscious or subconscious brain. When we are active, conscious brain is functioning, and when we are not active, unconscious brain or subconscious brain is functioning. Second, in the brain, something we will not forget as the letters of alphabet A, B, C, D, etc. Simple mathematical calculations as 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Our own names Shima, Radha, Ramesh, Geeta, etc., which we have written or spoken or memorized thousands of times. So it will go into the permanent memory storage. But if we read today's newspaper editorial, which is quite complex, we might forget soon, but because it is complex as well as it is not much useful, so it will go into the temporary memory storage, which will delete slowly but not fully deleted. In the same manner, we see new people, read new things, experience new emotions, meet new friends, and so many life happenings. So, all will go into temporary memory storage box. But sorry guys, it will not delete forever because the rate of deleting is quite slow, but the rate of receiving new thoughts are quite high. So this is the case of imbalance. I know you are thinking, then what is the solution? I am giving you a very simple example. Nowadays everybody has laptop. Sometimes we do have the issue of junk or unnecessary material that we will send into recycle bin. But why we are not sending our junk thoughts? Just keep it away. Just keep it away. Just keep it away. Do you think that you will forget your name, the name you have written and spoken thousands of times? That times even you can't remember God. So don't worry. So don't worry at all. Only unuseful thoughts will go out. Okay. Next, you are thinking how to remove unnecessary thoughts. That is giving a big headache. It is very much simple, but first please subscribe my channel and like it and tell others to watch it. Okay, in my video everything is simple because already here persons have so many complex things and complex issues. So I will not tell you to do complex things and sit in Padmasana pose and do tough meditation for half an hour. Just sit calmly on your chair, close your eyes and think how long you can think. Just think. Just think and think and think until it comes to zero. Okay, don't think about the time because the more time you are avoiding for thinking, the more amount of time you're wasting for thinking when you are doing any particular work or a study or read. Better switch off the mobile, shut down your own laptop, switch off the TV, remove the battery of your wall clock, unplug the button of your wristwatch because sometimes this may hamper your thinking process. Better close your doors and windows because sometimes somebody may come and ask you, oh, what are you doing by closing your eyes? In this world, if you do any new things, person will ask you, but if you involve day-to-day worldly affairs, nobody will ask you. That's why I told you to close all that things. Now sit calmly and think a lot and lot. Just send them out all unnecessary junk thoughts that will hamper your study or work. After a certain moment of time, now you can study with full concentration. So, matter of concentration and meditation. Next lecture, because excess of everything is harmful. Okay, bye guys. Comment me of your life problem. Maybe I can make video of that.